Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a free tool that helps you fix the persistent group is suspended issue on your Facebook group. First, go to the download link in the description below and download the zip tool file. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder, find the file, and extract it to an easy-to-find folder. Next, open your Chrome browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. In the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode at the top right. Now, either drag and drop the extracted folder into this page or click Load Unpacked and select the folder to install the extension. After installation, you'll see a puzzle piece icon appear on your toolbar. Click it and pin the extension for easy access. Open the extension. Fill in all the required details shown on the screen carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. Here, just upload a screenshot of your group status like this one to begin the appeal process. When ready, click Start Now and wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. If the request fails, please wait 1 to 2 hours before reloading the tool and submitting again. During this time, avoid using any other tools to prevent conflicts that might affect future requests. Once you see the message, "Your request has been submitted successfully," give it a moment and head back to your group page to check the result. Congratulations! Your group is now restored. The group is suspended warning is gone, and you can continue building your community as usual. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Good luck!